In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to check or know if your Windows 11 has TPM or not. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to press Windows key and R key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up a small window called Run. Here, please type for tpm.msc and click on OK to continue. The moment you click on it, you would be able to bring up a new window. If you don't successfully bring up a window, that means that you don't have a TPM here in your Windows 11. Okay, so here under the TPM manufacturer information, you can see there the manufacturer name, the manufacturer version, and the specification version. So in this way, you'll be able to identify or find out if you have TPM or not. Again, if you don't see a window like this, that would mean that your Windows 11 doesn't have TPM. Okay, another way to check if you have TPM or not is that here at the bottom search bar, please type for device security. Once you've typed that, please wait until you can see a best match here in this window before we proceed. Okay, so once it's here, please click on open to continue. And eventually you would be able to bring up the Windows security where you get to see the device security. So here at the Windows security, all you need to do is you need to proceed with the device security. You would be automatically redirected here. And there you can see security processor. Please click on security processor details. And there you can find out the TPM or the trusted platform module. And here you can see the information about your PC. It goes with the manufacturer, the version, the specification version, and more. In this way, you will be able to find out if you have TPM or not. Okay? So those are the two simple ways on how to check if your Windows 11 has TPM or not. If those steps help you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.